Well, up against the wall over the land bill, the NDA government has now taken the re-promulgate route and sent the land ordinance with 9 amendments to the president for approval. The united opposition, on the other hand, continues to hold protests across the country.
Land hurdle continues for the Modi government. With the ordinance lapsing in less than a week, the government is in a huddle. Unable to pass the bill in the parliament, the cabinet has cleared the re-promulgation of land ordinance with 9 amendments.
जो लैंड एक्विजिशन बिल हमारी सरकार ने पार्लियामेंट में लाया है, उसको सपोर्ट करने का अपील मैं सभी पार्टियों को करता हूं। इसमें हमने जो इंडस्ट्री केवल शहरों तक सीमित थी, वो गांव में जाए और गांव के किसानों के बेटों को, गांव के युवाओं को रोजगार मिले।
The cabinet has sent the re-promulgation to President Pranab Mukherjee for approval. But the opposition is in no mood to relent and continues to corner the Modi government over the bill.
Is, I think, a very backward step, and the government is totally out of touch with what the people of India want. And I think the BJP is bulldozing their way through, and it is not healthy at all.
All the farmers, all the political parties would come together to oppose this move of the BJP government, and farmers would definitely teach this government a lesson.
With the opposition up in arms against the Modi government against the land ordinance, will the government manage to gather a consensus on this crucial bill? Bureau Report, Times Now.